Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone. Welcome in my channel Learning Arabic with Dina. This is lesson number 3. So please do subscribe and like and share the video with your friends. Are you ready? Let's get started. Today I'm going to teach an important lesson, so please focus with me. The lesson entitled The Shapes in Alphabet of Arabic Language. Any letter in Arabic has 3 shapes. In the beginning of words, and in the middle of words, and in the end of words. Firstly, Alif is a shape in the beginning, and when it coming in the middle become this shape. In the end become this shape. B in the beginning, B in the middle, B in the end of words, T in the beginning, T when it coming in the middle of words, T when it coming the end of words, T in the beginning of words, T when it's coming in the middle of words. It's shape of that when it's coming in the end of words. After that, Jim in the beginning, and the second shape of Jim when it's coming in the middle, when it's coming in the end of words. After that, Ha when it's coming in the beginning of words, Ha when it's coming in the middle of words, Ha when it's coming in the end of word, Ha in the beginning of word, Ha when it's coming in the middle of word, Ha when it's coming in the end of word. Then sitting down properly on the line. And when it's coming in the middle of word, become it. And when it's coming in the end of word, become the same shape also. Then sitting down properly on the line. And when it's coming in the middle, become this shape. And when it's coming in the end, this is shape. Ra when it's coming in the beginning of word. Ra when it's coming in the middle of word. Ra when it's coming in the end of word. They, you can notice a ra more curved than. They when it's coming in the beginning of word. When it's coming in the middle of word. When it's coming in the end of word. You can notice also they more curved ra. See when it's coming in the beginning of word. When it's coming in the middle of word. When it's coming in the end of word. Sheen when it's coming in the beginning of word. it's coming in the middle of word. Shin when it's coming in the end of word. Shod when it's coming in the beginning of word. Sod when it's coming in the middle of word. When it's coming in the end of word. After then, dog. Dot has one dot on the top when it's coming in the beginning. When it's coming in the middle, comment. When it's coming in the end of word, this is shape. This is shape of ta when it's coming in the beginning of word. Ta has one stick on the top. When it's coming in the middle of word. When it's coming in the end of word. After then, the letter. The has one stick on the top and has one dot. The when it's coming in the middle of word. The when it's coming in the end of word. The same shape. Ayn. Ayn. Write like that. When it's coming in the beginning of word. When it's coming in the middle, become this shape. And when it's coming in the end of word, take this shape. After then, غين. غين. غين like عين, but has one dot on the top. غين when it's coming in the middle of word. When غين coming in the end of word. فاء. فاء has one dot on the top, and this is shape when it's coming in the beginning of word. When it's coming in the middle, when it's coming in the end of word. After then, قاف. قاف has two dots on the top. Two dots on the top. When قاف coming in the middle of word. When قاف coming in the end of word. كاف. كاف. This is the shape of kaf when it's coming in the beginning of word. When kaf coming in the middle. When kaf coming in the end of word. Lam, which is coming in the beginning of word. Like this. When it's coming in the middle of word. When it's coming in the end of word. Meme. When meme coming in the beginning of word. When it's coming in the middle. coming in the end. Noon when it's coming in the beginning of word. When it's coming in the middle of word. When noon coming in the end of word. He in the beginning and the middle in the end of word. You can notice he have three shapes, but it's different in the beginning, in the middle, in the end of word. Wow. Wow in the beginning. Wow in the middle. Wow has the same shape in the end of words also. Yeah. Yeah. It's a last letter in Arabic. When it's coming in the beginning, when it's coming in the middle of word, when it's coming in the end of word. Really, I'm so happy when I teach you the shapes of alphabet in Arabic. If you have any question related to this lesson, please tell me in the comments below and I will answer you. If you like my lesson, please share the video with your friends. And don't forget to do subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. See you later. مع السلامة.